In a moment, I will show you just how simple, cheap, and fun this project is. But first, I wanted to share with you just how beautiful they are and entice you with this video so that you will want to make one for yourself. You'll thank yourself and me. Are you hypnotized yet? If so, good. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. So this DIY started with me wanting to use some of the clear glass from my collection to decorate for the holidays. And I found this really neat LED light strand from the Dollar Tree for $1. And it has these little fiber optic ends, and it runs on two AA batteries, which I'm sure some of you could figure out a way to solder this to a USB connection so that you could plug it in. But I'm using batteries, which also makes it portable, which is nice, I think. And these fiber optic tips make the coolest impact with this clear glass. And the nice thing about this is what makes it even more cheap and more accessible for people is that these Homco lights, I find these at the thrift store all the time. They're always under $10, if not under $5. And they have this really cool like cubist pattern on them that really made an impact with these lights. And the other fairy light, I've seen those fairly often too. I'm not sure if that's Ellie Smith or maybe Viking that makes those. I'm not 100% sure, but you can find clear glass fairy lights fairly often. This is a perfect use for them. And also, I would say like a quilted jelly jar would be cool to use. Anything that has a pattern to it. That's really what makes the light bounce around and cast this really neat pattern on whatever surface it's on. And I'm just kind of arranging them in there, and then there they are with the lights off. They just make such an impact. It's so great and easy and simple. And I'm using it to decorate for the holidays, but then I was thinking, this really is a great application for a lot of things, like especially just the orb, the Homco, the round one. I think that would be really great if you're a traveling bartender and you want to have a little something in your space just to kind of make it a little bit more festive, or if you run tabletop game campaigns and you're the dungeon master, be a really cool thing. Or maybe if you do like card readings, anything like that, even in a YouTube video just to have on the table. So I hope you try this out. It's easy. It will cost you under $10, if not way cheaper than that, and fun.